Hey everybody, this is Patrick Evans-Hylton with Virginia Eats and Drinks. I'm also the culinary advisor for Norfolk Festevents, and we're going to be doing here on FETV a cocktail for you. This is called Storms Brewin, and it's my version of a hurricane. And so I'm going to have more information, including a little bit of the story about it, and also some the recipe for it in the comments under this video. So be sure to go to my Facebook group, facebook.com/group/Virginia Eats and Drinks, to get all the information that you need to make the cocktail. We're doing this because we're so excited. Bayou Bon Vivant is coming up on Friday, the 14th of May, and also Saturday, the 15th. It's going to be at Tail Point Park in Virginia, downtown Norfolk, and it's going to be all kinds of great Louisiana music and food and everything going on. It is going to be open to the public and it's free, but there is limited space available. But you can go through and get some of your favorites. Louisiana cooking, some good Cajun cooking from different street vendors and also different food trucks too. But we're going to celebrate with the cocktail. So Pat O'Brien, who popularized the hurricane cocktail in New Orleans, he once had a speakeasy, and when you knock on the door to get in, the code was Storms Brewing. Well, we know here in coastal Virginia we have plenty of hurricanes and storms and all too, so I wanted to make a cocktail that was a little bit easier to make. Some ingredients. The original has passion fruit puree in it, or passion fruit juice, and so sometimes that's a little hard to find, so I've substituted that with pineapple juice, because pineapple is a symbol of hospitality and it's a symbol that we're very familiar with here in Virginia, and it's a lot more easy to find too. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I have here 4 Farthing spiced rum. This comes from our friends at Chesapeake Bay Distillery in Virginia Beach. And then this happens to be a historic rum that I helped design that has a lot of the flavors and everything. Nice, mellow, smooth spiced rum. There's not a lot of extra sugar in it. It's not one of those really cloyingly sweet rums. And so it's historic in nature because 4 Farthing was originally Town Point Park. And then also so many of the different ships coming up from the Caribbean would bring in rum and would bring in molasses and would bring in all these spices and everything. So you can get that or use any of your favorite spiced or dark rum. We also have a white rum, and if you notice here, what I did is a little bit different. I actually put my rum in this container and then I cut up a pineapple, and I've been letting it sit in there for a couple of days, and all that pineapple flavor is being infused into the rum, and it is so amazing. There's a lot of different things you can do with this too, and we'll have more information about that as well. But we've got our cocktail shaker. Now I'm going to be sharing 2 recipes. One is for an individual cocktail, and because this isn't a traditional hurricane, I'm not going to be serving in a hurricane glass, although you could. But also I'm going to be doing a recipe for a batch cocktail that you can make when all your friends come over. You can make one really big, beautiful cocktail for your outdoor entertaining this summer, and then folks can enjoy it without you having to make individual ones too. So we have that pineapple infused rum. Oh, it smells so good. Then we have our 4 Farthings spiced rum from Chesapeake Bay Distillery. Then we've got our pineapple juice. And like I said, I'm going to be putting all the recipes with the measurements in the comments. So be sure to join my Facebook group, facebook.com/group/Virginia Eats and Drinks. Some fresh squeezed orange juice. Some fresh squeezed lemon juice. Some fresh squeezed lime juice. And then some grenadine. And we're going to put the lid on here. If you've watched me make cocktails, you know the drill. This whole thing gets me really going, thinking back to the disco era. So when I make up my cocktails, I always think, WWDSD, what would Donna Summer do? And she would shake, 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 shake her booty. She shake her booty. Yeah, there we go. And then what I've done here is I put in the martini glass a moonshine cherry. I'm going to have the recipes for that so you can make your own cherries infused with moonshine. And then I have one of those spears of the pineapple that's been soaking in the rum. Isn't that a beautiful drink? Take a look at that. The Storms Brewing cocktail, just in time for Bayou Boogaloo. Ooh-wee. We'll see y'all there. Bon appetit.